Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Check the platform you want the chatbot client on: web, desktop, or mobile, and choose an API provider and pricing tier that fits usage. Once done, create a developer account and generate API keys. Store them securely. Make sure to install the provider SDK or HTTP client and set up a simple test endpoint so you can confirm authentication and basic request/response flow immediately. You now implement the core client logic and handle the more complex middle steps. Start by coding authentication and secure key handling, then add retries with exponential backoff for transient errors. Next, design your message payload. Choose streaming for low-latency chat or batch for synchronous responses, and normalize formats. Once done, implement state management, session ID, context windows, and token limits, so the chatbot maintains coherent conversations over time without exceeding quotas or losing context. You finish by completing deployment and adding practical safeguards. Deploy the client to a staging environment, run end-to-end tests, and validate error handling for timeouts or rate limits. Make sure to implement UI signals, loading states, typing indicators, and graceful fallbacks so users understand delays. Once live, set up monitoring and alerts for API errors and usage spikes. Log request/response pairs safely. If things go wrong, first check API key validity and rate limit headers, then reproduce the issue with a...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.